Now we come to sum number 5. Sum number 5 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is not so easy that it is only fill in the blanks. You have to solve all the sums one by one. खाली टेबल पूरा नहीं करने का हम लोग को, पूरा सम सॉल्व करके दिखाने का है. So I am solving all the sums for you. So see it very properly. Sum number 5, first sum. Okay, 5 का first sum. Principal is given 4,200. Principal is given 4,200 rupees. Then rate of interest is 7%, sorry. Rate of interest is 7%. Time is 3 years. Time is 3 years. We have to find out interest and we have to find out amount. Okay, so now interest first. Interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. This is equal to P 4,200. This is like you did in practice set 40. Same way, 7%, 3 years upon 100. So 0 gets cancelled. 42 multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28, 29. And multiply by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27, 28. 3 2s are 6, 8. So the interest is 882 rupees. Okay. Then you have to find out amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. So principal is how much? 4,200 plus interest 882. So 882 plus 4,200 will give you 8 plus 2 10 5,082. So 5,082 rupees. Okay. So final answer, interest is equal to 882 rupees and amount is equal to 5,082 rupees. This will be your final answer for sum number 1. Question number 5, sum number 1. Okay. Now this is your sum number 1. Copy it very properly in your notebooks. Okay. Now we go to sum number 2. Sum number 2. Okay, so we go on to sum number 2 now. Sum number 2, you have to find out the principal. Principal is not given. Then rate of interest. Rate of interest is given 6%. Number of years, 4 years. Number of years is 4 years. And even amount is not given. So you have to find out the amount also. Amount also is not given. Okay. So how to find out principal? What is the formula for principal? I have given you the formula for principal. Principal is equal to I into 100 upon R into T. So I have not copied on the other blackboard. How much is I given? I is given 1,200 rupees. I is given to you in the sum 1,200 rupees. So I is 1,200 multiplied by 100 upon R is 6% and number of years is 4. Okay. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 12, 0, 0. 6 ones are 6 fives are 30 and 1 0. So 50 multiplied by 100 will give you how much? 5,000 rupees. So principal is equal to 5,000 rupees. Now amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal you found out 5,000 and interest is given to you 1,200. So 5,000 plus 1,200, total amount you will get is 6,200 rupees. Okay. So answer principal is equal to, answer you got how much? 5,000 rupees and amount is equal to 6,200 rupees. So this will be your final answer. Okay, right? Now third question, you are given principal 8,000, rate of interest 5%. You have to find out number of years, that is T. Interest is given 800 and amount also you have to find out. So you have to find out number of years. I have given you the formula for number of years. Number of years is I multiplied by 100 upon P into R. So this is equal to, how much is I given? 800 multiplied by 100 upon P. P is 8,000 multiplied by rate of interest 5. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. 8 ones are 8. 8 tens are 80. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So number of years is equal to how much? 2 years. And then you have to find out amount also. So amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is given 8,000 plus interest is given 800. So your total amount is 8,800 rupees. So the answer will be term. T stands for term. So term is equal to how much you got? 2 years. And amount is equal to 8,800 rupees. Okay. So this is your sum number 3.